EHR integration solution designed to effortlessly integrate EHR system with third-party apps in just a few simple steps. In this session, we shall integrate Oracle Cerner API with Oracle database to get practitioner details. Log into your eZintegrations account, click eZintegrations, and begin by adding the integration bridge. In Data Source, select Source Type as API. Choose Data Source as Millennium from the list and select the business object as Practitioner. Provide the authorization URL with their own tenant ID and practitioner ID. Provide the authorization details. Test your API endpoint using Test button. Our response in the source is JSON data in a nested format. We need to convert the single-line JSON response to multiple lines tabular data as our target is Oracle database. Next, navigate to Operations to begin transforming, wrangling, and cleaning the data. We can see the list of all the operations by scrolling here. The first step is sending nested values to the top using the send keys top of root operation. This retrieves data from the API and stores in the BizData dataset response key. So, we are passing this key value. Using single line to multi-line operation, we will convert the single line data to multiple lines as the result is needed in tabular format. This is the API response from source. Data is stored under key named entry in response. This data is required to be converted to multiline. Thus, we will be passing the key value as entry in this operation to convert all the data stored within it from single line to multi-line. Using the data extractor operation, we will extract the details stored in response. In response, all the details are stored within a key value resource. So this key value will be passed in this operation. Using the operation send keys top of root, we are passing the key whose data we extracted before that is resource to send the nested value to the top level and fetch the data that is stored in it. To eliminate unnecessary data, eliminate operation has been used. Our response contains some information that is not required such as keys meta, text, identifier and extension. This data has been eliminated by passing their key values through the operation. We want to fetch the data inside key called name since it contains information regarding practitioner's name. So, we are using operation send keys top of root and passing name in it to fetch the data contained within that key. Using append operation, we can create a new column and save all the data extracted in it. Here, we are creating a new column called name1 and saving the JSON data extracted previously from key called name. Now, using operation send keys top of root, the key created that is name1 is passed to fetch data since the data within it was nested. Using eliminate operation, we are eliminating two key values called use and name, since its data is transferred to a new column called name1. We will be performing the same operations for key value telecom as we did for name. First, using append, a new key value called telecom1 is created, and data stored within key value, telecom, is passed to new key value, telecom1. Next, using eliminate operation, key value, telecom is eliminated. Then using send keys top of root, data stored within the new key created, that is telecom1, is fetched. Using eliminate operation, other unnecessary information such as family, given, system and period is eliminated. Now, all the necessary information is extracted. Next, we will be using rename operation to rename the column names as per our target. Once the data transforming process is completed, we will prepare the data to be sent to the database. To send data to the Oracle database, we will create a new column using the append operation, in which we are passing the new key value called new key. Next, aggregation of all the values in one array is done using the data aggregation operation. Under group by key, we are grouping all the values available in the table using the new key created in append operation. Under array key, any name relevant to the dataset can be passed. Here we are naming it as Practitioner Detail as our array key. Under array key nested column, all the existing columns renamed are passed. Lastly, a tuple is created for all the columns to read data from single line using single line to tuple operation. Informative and detailed documentation is available for each operation. Next step is to select target under data target. Before configuring data target, we will see how our table looks in target. This is Oracle database showcasing practitioner table with all the columns. The following step is to select the data target, which is Oracle database. To do so, we will be configuring the data target with database details, as can be seen in the video. Here, pass the tuple key used in operation single line to tuple operation. Once all the details are furnished, click on Execute to check the running status of database. Now, in the summary section, provide the name and description of the integration bridge. Under Schedule, we can schedule the frequency of integration or select interval as per requirement. Here, we are setting it to 6000 seconds. Once everything is done, click on Submit. The integration bridge can be seen in the list. We can now proceed to run the integration bridge and check the results in live streaming logs, since the integration bridge is now built. Data can be seen coming to the target. With eZintegrations, get a seamless and faster EHR integration experience.